when we entered Emmanuel Hall and started setting up the stage, I realised how it can really affect how you rehearse depending on what rehearsal space you have. It feels much more cramped when you're in a smaller space. When you're in the engine room, it feels like you have less space than you have. And then when we moved to Emmanuel Hall, it felt like you had more space than you actually had. And this really affected how the rehearsals went. And it also taught me how you need to slightly adapt your rehearsal space and the way, you have to adapt how you rehearse depending on the rehearsal space you have to work with, because a bigger rehearsal space gives you a slightly better look on everything you have, because you can get you can step back and actually look at it. But a smaller rehearsal space, everything feels very cramped in, and you can't get a very good external look because you've got such a small space to build the set and rehearse everything in and move around in, leading to very different experiences. And though both having a bigger and smaller rehearsal space is still valid, I find it easier with a slightly bigger one. But I find it better to rehearsal with a smaller space, so then you underestimate the amount of space you got, so when you get to the proper theatre, you have more space than you initially thought, and you could work better with it.